They want a performer? I'm the answer to their prayers! One pop star coming right up! Okay, let's do this thing! Hi there! Nice to meet ya! Ugh, got any earplugs? Huh? What's wrong?
That hair? That skin?
I guess my look could use a little, upgrade? Oops. Well,
No!
okay, that's fine! How humiliating! They didn't even let me finish my song! Hey, what's this? Level up your skills? Boost my abilities? But how?
This is how! Welcome to my world!
Oh, wow! It's incredible! Look at all this amazing stuff! It's just… wow! Is this leather?
No touchy, okay?
Wait, is that my level? That can't be good.
Yep. You'll need 300 for this.
300? Let me see here. Is close at least?
Oh no, honey. But you can get these boots!
Score! Things are looking up! Or are they? Yikes. Oops.
Those are pretty bad.
Wow! Mwah! Time to make the switch! That's more like it. It's been fun, guys. Smell you later.
Do a spin for me?
Oh yeah, it's giving fabulous! Ugh, but this sure isn't.
I agree. Let me help you with that.
Seriously?
Follow me. We've got places to be.
Yeah, we do!
Wow, nice! Here you go. Have a good time, girl!
See ya! I think this is it. Nice kitchen! So clean! What? Noodles? Ah, that's the stuff. Lunchtime is upon us. Huh? 60 seconds? Piece of cake. Or in this case, noodles. Huh? Aren't you the cutest? What you got there? You gonna eat all that, boy? I don't know about this. Oh man! Think! Well, desperate times call for desperate measures. Pretty good, huh? Uh-oh. Worth it! You did good too. Bye! Yep, I nailed it! And my prize? Oh, hold on. Anyway, looking for this? Hello, fabulous! No pictures, please. Ugh, yikes. This hair is not it.
There, all fixed. Whew.
Oh.
No, unless you have this much. You feel me?
Okay. What's one more challenge? Let's go, people. See ya. Sure is taking long. Finally. Very interesting. Ugh! When do I… oh. Say less, scary weird guys. La, 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 la. You like that? I know that's right! Well? Uh-oh. That can't be good. No! Wait a sec. I still have 10 seconds. I must have something. Oh. What about my phone? Any help here, people? Please, you've gotta help me. Yeah, we got you. Yeah? Okay. Bye then? Weird.
Hey! We won't let you battle alone!
How sweet! Hey, bring it in, girls! Uh-oh! We're losing time! What do we… Stop! Come on, let's go! No! What are you doing? Oh, yeah! Get him! I can't believe it! You're doing it! You're the best! Look! Just in time! We did it! We did it! We're up 500, baby! Yes! Way to go! See ya! Oh, you're back. You won't believe what I did! I took those demons out! They were ruined! Oh yeah!
Whatever you gotta do. Let's see for ourselves. Who are they?
I had a little help. But I got my points. hair, right?
Cool story, sis. But we have work to do. You want new hair, right? There.
I'm bald!
Chill. Trust the process. See?
Wow, that's impressive!
I know. But what about these little monsters? Ready to pop. Oh, no. I hate pimples.
Now what?
Meet your new best friend. Feel me?
I sure do!
You can do it!
Don't use it! Let's get 700 points, y'all! Weird vibes in here. 200? Don't mind if I do. Don't press! Oh! Wait! I have nowhere to go! What do I do? I gotta get out of here! Elevator doors? Time to step up to the plate. Starting with this handy thing. Just need a good grip. Alrighty, now we're talking. Yes, let's swing! Woohoo! That wasn't so bad. On to the next, I guess. Guess what?
I kinda nailed it.
Can I have my makeup now?
Take a seat. This isn't going to be easy. Bring on the face wash. I mean, like the whole can. Yep, let's clean that face. Wait for it. No more acne here.
That's incredible!
Skincare's easy. And the hair? Gone. Deep breath. The perfect blank canvas. Good brushes help too. The new you is nearly here. I hope you're ready. Red, luscious lips. And a little sparkle. They go a long way.
Wow! I feel fab!
Yep.
Oh no. No mic.
Oh, that's no problem. 900 points and it's all yours.
Oh, of course. Okay, hold on. Ready?
I'm not. A girl's gotta eat.
What? Down here? You want me to use the vent? Alrighty. There'd better not be bugs down here. Ugh, so dark. What's that smell? Ah! Jeez! You've gotta be kidding me! What is this anyway? Wait, who are you? Are you stuck? Ugh, I'll get you out of here. Nothing like smooth, slippery soap to get you out of a jam. You'll be out in no time. Ready? Ugh, come on! Are you wiggling? Come on! Ooh. You! I can't believe it! I'm finally free! You saved me! It was nothing. Wait, I have to repay you. I have this. Take it. Really? For me? Scratch me? Alrighty. Scratch I will. What does it say? Wait! Well? It says I get to go up a level! 900 to be exact! See? This is awesome! It was a pleasure doing business with you. Likewise. Have a nice life!
Hey, I think this is it.
Oh boy! Whew, what a trip! Hey, I'm back! Hello?
I was just,
Sorry to interrupt, but look!
900!
Wow, nice work!
It's all yours.
Wow!
Hit those notes, girl! Yeah, sing it!
Whoa! Are you seeing that sword? I need to have it!
I don't think so.
Okay, so what?
Must I explain everything?
Okay, to the elevator. Again! Where to? Let's do this thing. Well? Oh, I'm here. Hey, this place is neat. Love the colors, too. Look, it's a game. When will it start? Oh boy, I'm getting nervous. Just stay focused. My main enemy? That's easy. Demons, obviously. Yay! My favorite food. It's gotta be noodles. Yep. Uh-oh. Anything but math. I guess I'll go with green. Come on, please, please, please. Yes, I actually did it! Your girl is a genius! That's right, I won! Bye! Ahem. What you doing? 'Cause I've been busy. You sure have! Whoa! You earned yourself a sword! Booyah! I'm so proud of you! You grow up so fast! There's only one thing left to do.
Look at what you've done, boy, while you were on the run. You said I was the only one. Look at what you've done, now you're hiding from the sun. I'm fed up with your lies.
Huh? What up? That's enough singing! What? Ah! I'm done for!
Wait, what's going on? A message? Whoa! This mission is totally my vibe. Whoa! Huh?
What a beautiful day under the sea! Oh, what do we have here? Looks like it's time to show off my design skills. Whee! And I'm here! Whoa!
Watch out! Gravity is a thing here!
Thanks! What even is this place? I know just what to do. Time to scrub this place clean. So good. And done. I think it worked.
So cool!
Oh no! A little crab got caught in the net. Bye, little guy! You're free! I could actually use this. This will be the perfect addition to my wall. So cute, right?
I'm more into fans, actually. And kunais, obviously. Bada bing, bada boom, done!
Nice!
Ugh, I'm not feeling this bed at all. Oh, hey there, derpy. How's it going? Here's such a cutie. Bye-bye! Oh. What's this? Aww, so sweet.
Glad to hear that.
Now let's get to painting. I'll use pink, yellow, and blue. Stay still. I'm almost finished.
Whoa, careful!
Done.
Wow.
This is my absolute masterpiece. I'll hang it right over the bed. You're gonna guard my dreams. Sweet! Now let's add a couple of pillows. Just like that, they look so cool! Now let's try sitting down again. Oh, yeah.
My arms are so tired. Whoa, it's so pretty.
Cool, right?
I need to make my bed look better too. Now I'll turn this shell into a headboard. Oh yeah. Mermaid magic, do your thing. Sweet! Now to decorate the rest of the bed with this rope. Let's secure it tightly, just like this. Finished! Do you like it, little guy? This is your new spot, my plushie friends. Done!
Bravo!
Well, it's finally nap time.
Good call. Sweet dreams. Phew. I should probably do something about this hole. Let's add some tape along the edge. Like this. There! Now we have a window!
What is that light? Since when do we have a window? Man, it's getting so hot in here. Oh yeah, that's better. Phew, this sun is gonna turn me into a roasted mermaid. Hey, where did this window come from?
No clue.
I know how to fix this problem. First, let's tie the seaweed to this rope. Just like that. Perfect! And now we add a few more. Secure the rope, and these chic sea curtains are ready.
Nice! Now watch how a real K-pop star does it. Come on, Rumi, you got this! My whole life was dark. No hope in my sight. But then came a window with sun shining bright. But the light was too much for my Rumi from the sea. Don't worry, girl. I'll hang curtains for thee. Oh, yeah!
That was wonderful!
Oh, let me have that. I guess a little sunlight wouldn't hurt us after all.
It's getting better and better in here. Sigh, I miss my jellyfish so much. I know. Let me have that bowl.
Sure. Here.
First, let's flip it over. And now, cover it with this shiny film. So sparkly! Wow! Now, let's attach the ribbons. Nice! And now, we add some hanging crystals. Just like that. Float on up!
Whoa.
Now I feel right at home.
Sigh. I miss home too. It was so beautiful there, especially at night, with the lanterns lighting up the streets. I know what to do! First, let's fold a circle of colored paper and apply glue. Now we add a few more layers. Then put some glue on the inside layers. Some on the bottom, some on the top, just like that. Now fold it all back together and press it. Add a decorative tassel and open it up. That's it! The lantern is finished! So beautiful!
Wow.
Stop it! Huh, what's that sound? Is that coming from you?
Oops, sorry.
I thought it was a demon!
Guess it's snack time! Mmm, yummy!
Don't eat those poor fishies! No, please!
Relax! These fish are going free. I just need this fish tank as a bowl. Now let's get to cooking. Let's take some Hubba Bubba and fold it like this. Great! Now put it on a skewer and stretch it all along. These supplies should last me a long time. Let's try it. Mmm, so tasty.
Whoa, cool! I've got plenty of food, too. Looks like we've settled in pretty well.
Yeah, the room looks amazing now. High five!
Huh? What's that?